In today's video, I'll be taking my hair from this to this in just a few simple steps that are easy to follow. So number one is going to be wash care. I'm going to be going in with my Cream of Nature shampoo and then following that by Shea Moisture conditioner to detangle. So before I talk about what I'm doing in the video, I just want to say make sure to like and subscribe because I got drenched during my wash care routine. So I just rinsed out my hair and now I'm going to go in with the shampoo. And I'm making sure to apply it to my scalp specifically and not just the surface of my hair. The reason why we use shampoos is to clean our scalp, so be sure to actually apply it there. So after thoroughly shampooing, I just washed it out. Now I'm going to go in with my Shea Moisture conditioner and just apply it all throughout the hair. Some of you guys do raking to apply the conditioner, but I usually go in a back and forth motion with my hands. So time for detangling, I'm going to go in with my wide tooth comb. I like to work in sections when detangling. I feel like it makes the process a whole lot easier. So basically for detangling, I take my section, I detangle my ends, and then I work my way down to my roots like so. After detangling, I washed out the conditioner. Now I'm going to go in with my personal favorite, leave-in conditioner by Just For Me, and just apply it all throughout my hair. So now time for styling, I'm going to use my anti-Jackie gel. The styling method I chose to use for this video was the shingling method. I normally do finger coils, but I was getting kind of tired of it. So the shingling method is all about getting that natural curl. So basically you take a section of hair, smooth the gel onto it, split it into subsections, and then release it like so. So I think I'm going to explain that one more time. So I take a piece of hair like I'm doing in the video, smooth the gel onto it, and just release it for that natural curl. I love using the shingling method because it gets me a lot of definition and a whole lot of volume, and here's how. Alright, so you're going to take the section of hair in like your apex area, and then you're going to do the shingling method, but then you're going to release it from the top, if you know what I mean. Just look what I'm doing in the video. Just like that, release it from the air. From the top, my bad. But yeah, anyways, that's the hack for volume. Just do that for the whole apex area and you should be good. So my hair on top of my back taper is pretty loose, so I just did some finger coils. This whole styling process took me about an hour. I feel like I'm getting faster because I keep doing my hair non-stop, and it's just getting easier and easier. And boom, these are the end results. I am super happy with how my hair came out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. This is the end of the vid. If you guys liked it, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.